And I think it's something that defense counsel constantly keeps, if you will, attributing to the state. One example that I can give you where the state has no control over social media is the defendant. There's been allegations that she's been tweeting, I think is the word. I don't have any of that, so I'm not familiar with that, but I know that I've been told that she's been tweeting through, I guess it's an acquaintance of hers, a female acquaintance of hers, and there are things that have been going out. So if we're talking about the flames of interest by the media, whether it's conventional or social, in this case, they're being fanned by the defendant herself. One can't forget that she's a witness in this case, and she's actually violating the court's rule about discussing her testimony. So if we're going to be looking at that, and quite frankly, as I think of it now, I'm asking the court to issue an order that she desist from that because, again, she has testified, she is discussing her testimony, and again, if we're going to talk about disparaging comments that are made, again, I don't have an account, so I don't know the exact words. I don't watch television coverage of this particular trial because I just don't, but I've been told that she indicates something about the prosecutor and how tall he is. This is the type of conduct that they're complaining the prosecutor is doing, but when you take a look at it, it's actually created by the defendant. And I've gone at length to go over that because there is this constant attack on the prosecutor about his conduct, about what the media says about him. What the media and the people out there choose to believe is up to them. I have no control over it, and it appears, however, that the defendant does have control and seems to be attempting to manipulate it. So I have my written response. I think it addresses the court's issues or the defendant's issues, and I ask the court to deny the defendant's request again for another mistrial. Thank you.
Your Honor, I'm sure the courts, at